pandemic may be far from over, and many of us are still experiencing occasional lockdowns. Nevertheless, the Australian economy is continuing to roar ahead. And for Sydney and regional New South Wales, that means house price growth is particularly strong. Over the past 12 months, Sydney house prices have risen over 10%. In regional New South Wales, they have risen a staggering 21%. And now regional New South Wales has the same median house price as Brisbane. Across Sydney and regional New South Wales, there are three main trends occurring at the moment. The first is a search for space, and this is leading to high demand in outer suburban areas and also regional areas. The second is high demand for luxury property, and many suburbs with very high medians, well above $3 million, are experiencing strong demand and high price growth. The third trend is strong demand in beachside areas. And whether you are in regional areas such as Kiama or Byron Bay, or closer to Sydney CBD in places like Bondi and Manly, we are continuing to see very high auction activity, very high demand and strong pricing. So what's the outlook for Sydney and regional New South Wales over the next 6 months? There's no doubt that conditions are continuing to be strong, and we are seeing a large number of active bidders per auction across the Ray White network. On the other hand, we are also seeing an increase in stock, which may start to stabilise the market a little bit over coming months. Nevertheless, barring an interest rate rise, it does look like it will be full steam ahead for Sydney and regional New South Wales over coming months. For more details on the Sydney and regional New South Wales markets, download the Ray White Now report on raywhite.com.